how you can make money minimum of $1,000 easily using Google News. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money through Google, yes, of minimum of $1,000 easily using Google News. And you'll be using a copy and paste method. Yes, this might be the easiest way to make money online without selling anything or doing any kind of marketing. With this method, you don't need to build a website or create a YouTube channel. To be exact, you don't even need any social media following or audience whatsoever. All you need to do to make money with this method is the steps I will be sharing with you in today's video. So if you're new to this channel, by all means introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you, where in the world are you tuning in from, and if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. And to all my Patreon members, thank you. You guys are amazing. Oh, just so you know, I have a giveaway for you guys, so watch this video all the way till the end so that you can find out how you can take advantage or take part in my giveaway today. So come with me guys, let's go. So besties, in 2 simple steps, I will show you every step in detail. At the end of this video, you'll be able to start earning money and I will also be showing you how to earn money with additional websites and double your earnings or even triple your earnings. First thing you need to do is to go to Google, type in Google News, then click on Google News. There you will see all the latest articles on different topics. Change the language and location to USA. So on the left, you will have categories. Choose the one that is more interesting for you. And now you will see all the latest articles on different topics within the chosen category niche. 2 things. The first and the best way is to research the topic based on the article that you found and then rewrite an article that is better than it. You can use websites like thesaurus.com to help you find synonyms and of course more subtitles and ideas that basically sit on your butt a few hours rewriting your own piece of content. Now the second way, this way is less ethical but it is still legit. It is free and it takes only a few minutes of your time. The second way is to copy the text from the article that you have found, paste it into a free Google Chrome extension called Grammarly. I use Grammarly all the time. Download Grammarly, then copy the rewritten text to word processor or other piece of software, and you will see this little circle on the right bottom side. The red color means that your text has some mistakes. Just click on the text and it will correct the words. To start, you just need free Grammarly and it's going to help you a whole lot. Now you have your new article in your own words and you can use it in 3 different ways to make money. First thing that you probably have heard about is to build a free website with Google Slides, GrooveFunnels, Wix, or other free website builder and publish many articles. Now this is a long-term business model and in the back end you'll make sales promoting affiliate products or eventually placing ads on your site. The second way is to make a video using softwares like Vidnami. Yes, here you can make a video in just 5 minutes. Just paste the article in the box and the AI will find the right footage and music with captions and even a voiceover. If you don't want to use paid software or you don't want to try Vidnami for free, then you can use video editors like OpenShot to edit your videos. Publish the video on your channel and wait for the views to come. This way is also long-term and the earnings will come mainly from affiliate links or ads. Now here is the better step. You don't have to build a website for this new step. You don't have to build your website and you're not required to publish any videos. Now there are websites that will pay you, yes, they will pay you money for your article. Some of them will pay you per word, yes, and if you have a 1,000-word article, which most of them are, you can get $1,000 for each article. If they pay you $1 per word and 1,000 words, that is $1,000 for an article. And I'll show you some of the websites and how they work. Now, the full list of websites that will pay you at least $100 per article. I mean, think about it. Can you make those articles in a few minutes or maximum of a few hours if you write them on your own? If you can make one article every day, you can earn at least $600 per day. Now, most of those websites will pay you much more. And the more websites you publish on, the better for you because then you can double and triple your earnings. So let me show you a few of those websites. The first website here is eatingwell.com. So go to eatingwell.com, scroll down and click on jobs. Then when you scroll down, you will see writers guidelines. Read them all. Then they pay you up to $1 per word, and this is really great. So you can submit to many websites just to make sure to read your article. Make sure you read your article before you submit. You don't want to send them crappy articles. Of course, I doubt that because you got it from Google News, and that's basically how you earn $200 to $1,000 per day from Google News. Yes, and here are some of the websites that you can, try this out. So go to eatingwell.com. Yes, the Eating Well, the niche is health, good life, and food. Yes, you can talk about food, in your articles, good health and stuff like that. And the next one on my list here is longreads.com. Yes, you can talk about anything, but mostly long stories. It can pay you $250 to $1,500 per article. The next one here is metroparent.com. Yes, it's for parents, and the pay rate is about $200 per article. Yes, you can get up to $200 per article. The next one on my list here is Syria Club. Yes, go to syriaclub.org, and the niche is tech and science. The pay rate is $350. The next website here is copyhackers.com. The niche is copywriting, startup, marketing, freelancing. They pay $300 to $1,000 per post. The next one here is alistpart.com. Yes, the niche is internet. You get paid $200 per article. The next one here is Listverse. Yes, general lists, they pay $100 per list. The next one here is Daily JStore. Yes, daily.jstore.org. Yes, different topics, they pay $350 to $600. The next one here is American Scholar, the American Scholar. Yes, the niche is public affairs, literature, science, history, and culture. They pay $500 per hour. In summary, this is how you can start making money on Google. So guys, go to Google News, find a fresh and interesting article, copy the article, then rewrite the article with an online software. Submit the article to websites in the niche to get paid. And you may have already seen such videos. Yes, try out this strategy and thank me later. You're on your way to making good money just from Google. And yes, thank you for watching all the way till this point. Here is how to enter for my own giveaway. I'll be giving away $100 cash. Yes, on this channel. All you need to do to enter for my giveaway is this: go ahead and join my Telegram channel. First and foremost, we have launched our Telegram channel. Go ahead and join first and foremost, then go ahead and share the link to my Telegram channel with your friends and your community members. Share the link with 50 people, but this is how you can get it done real quick. Share with 500 people or 1,000 people. At least 10% of them will join, but tell them why they should join. Give them the perks of joining my Telegram channel, which is, of course, I will be sharing lots of money making strategies, money making avenues in that group. It's not just a gossip, it's not a gossip Telegram channel. You will be getting juicy information, great resources on how to start making money. Yes, so, and I'll be doing a lot of giveaways as well in my Telegram, on my Telegram channel. So yes, that is one amazing way to get it done. So go ahead and add your friends into my Telegram community. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and of course that is one amazing way. So yes, once you're done adding your people to my Telegram community on my Telegram channel, come back to this video, and let me know how many people you have been able to add into my Telegram community. And yes, I will select randomly, so do it real quick. It is closing soon, so go ahead and add your friends quickly to my Telegram community, and you're on your way to making good money. Yes, so I'll send you $100 through Zelle, Venmo, Cash App, PayPal, Western Union, anyone. I'll get it to you anywhere you are in the world. And that is it, guys, for today. Thank you for watching all the way till this end, till the very end. If you have not liked this video, please do well to like this video, do well to share, and tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys, and bye for now. Love you.